Finally, Jordan Brand is giving us a retro of a sneaker that I think a lot of the community has been waiting for a long time to finally retro in its true classic Nike Air form, back how the OG was back in 1989. Let's get into it. We have the Air Jordan 4 box. I do have to give a huge shout out to Chicago Imperium. I did take an L on the shock drop, so I got my pair from Chicago Imperium. Make sure you guys give them a follow, and make sure you guys use my code Danny Moore. It'll save you money on his website, and DM him. You guys can DM him, and he'll give you $10 off as well if you guys decide to purchase sneakers from him. Of course, everything is 100% authentic, good to go. So let's get right into this. We do have the box label. Size 11. Of course, I did have to get my size. This will be a personal pair. You guys can see the official colorway of the box is off-white, which is very interesting to me, and we'll get into that why, and military blue. That's right, they're keeping it military blue, but if you look on the Sneakers app, it says industrial blue. On the live, Sneakers Live, they said industrial blue. In my opinion, this is just my opinion, Nike doesn't want to be controversial with war, military, so they're putting it on the box label, but when it comes to the actual branding and what actual word of name goes out there, they don't want military in 2024, I guess. I don't know. Nike's being weird. It is what it is. It's still the military blue Jordan 4s, right? We're not calling these the industrial blues, are we? I'm not. Certainly not. Here we go with the Air Jordan 4 tissue paper, and here we have, oh boy, the military blue Air Jordan 4s. Here they are, the 2024 military blue Jordan 4s. Good to see them. I am extremely happy. Why? Because they're back. They are back. In 2012 was the last retro of them, and I wasn't a huge fan of the 2012 pair because of the quality, so I have to look and examine the quality right now for the first time. And yeah, the leather's stiff. It's stiff. I'm not going to be around the bush. It's stiff, but it's better still than 2012, so I'll take it. I'll take it. The one thing that is throwing a lot of people off, I think, is the blue itself. This is a little closer to the OG. I just personally think the 2012 pair has a nicer blue. That's just my opinion. That's just what I think. But overall, I still love the shoe. It's still the military blue with that beautiful Nike Air for the first time ever of a retro, which is crazy. The last time we saw that Nike Air on the back of a blue military blue 4 was back in 1989. It's been that long. So that's actually fire to see and definitely welcoming. These are clean, man. They are very clean. You do have the orange tag, the white all premium leather. I'm not even going to call it premium because it's not. The all white upper, and then the gray. You don't really, you're not seeing a color change too much. This is not hairy. It's very, very not hairy at all. There's like no hairs to the suede or nubuck around the toe. So it is very, very material. But I'll be honest, I didn't buy these so much for the material. I bought them because of what they are. It's the military blue Jordan 4s, for crying out loud. And it's been a long time. 2012, 12 years ago, I did have them, but I sold them like 2 years after getting them. So, yeah, it's been a long time. I haven't had the shoe in my possession in like a decade. Besides a beat-up, disgusting pair. Besides that, I haven't had the shoe really in a long time. So, good to see them. They are back. You do have that white, blue, gray outsole. The Nike branding hitting as well. The Jumpman on the tongue. Very, very nice with the flat patch there. And the blue Jumpman. I love it. Love to see it. This is not as hard as it was on other Jordan 4s, but it's definitely not the SB Jordan 4, which we'll take a look at in a moment. The Jordan 4 SB does have the plastic. This is rubber, but it's definitely not as hard of a rubber, so I don't think it'll really scrape up on you. I am hearing that these are not as comfortable as the SB Air Jordan 4s. Here they are. So let's do the little comparison of the shape. I do think the shape, they pretty much nailed it when it comes to the shape. So we are getting the shape of the SB Air Jordan 4, but the quality is definitely better of the SB 4, especially the leather. Definitely better on the SB4s, as well as the suede around the toe. Just better shoe, better construction, better build, better materials on the SBs. But nonetheless, this is still the military. It's an OG. I prefer the militaries over the SB Air Jordan 4s all day, every day. Pick one down below in the comments. Very similar, just no gum outsole at all. But very similar shoes. Just different blue, green. You got the little hit of red throwing it off. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Pick one down below in the comments. For me, militaries all day, every day, not even a question. They do have the nice shape, the new structure, the new build. I'm just hearing that these are not as comfortable as SB4s or even the Bred 4 Reimagines, which I will probably do a wear test. If you guys want a wear test, let me know down below in the comments. If you guys can get this video up to, let's do 400 likes. 400 likes and we'll make the wear test video happen on the military blue Air Jordan 4s. And if you guys get this video up to 400 likes seriously as well, we're going to do another giveaway of the military blue Jordan 4s as well. Haven't done a giveaway in about a month, so maybe a month and a half. So if you guys want a giveaway, we're going to do a giveaway on the militaries. 400 likes. Make sure you guys subscribe and let me know what size you need in the military blue Jordan 4s. Let me know when these... Let me know if you guys are hopping when they release. Listen, these release on May 4th. As of right now, that's the release date. May 4th, retail $215. I do believe they will sell out 100%. Resell is not going to be high. Resell is not going to be high. They're already at like 260, 270, maybe 280. So, yeah, guys, I'll be honest. The resell market has completely tanked like hell. So... don't bother with really resell so much. You pocket change. That's what it's coming down to. Even with hype shoes, it's pocket change at this point. Resell has completely plummeted. Don't even get me started. So, yes, don't worry about resell. If you want them, you'll be able to get them for retail. More than likely, supposed to be a lot. And I mean a lot of stock. Reports of like 800,000, a million pairs. So, there's going to be a lot of stock. They will sell out, however, because it's an OG. This is one of those sneakers that the older heads come out to play. You could not have bought a pair of shoes for the past handful of years unless if it's an OG, maybe, you know, the Reimagined 3s or the Lost and Found 1s. But anything like that, those are the people that are going to come out to play with the military blue 4s. OG heads are going to go after them. People are going to double up, triple up, because we don't know when we're going to see this shoe again. Listen, guys, it's been 12 damn years, and it's the first time we've ever seen Nike Air. So, listen, people are going to double up, triple up on them. No question about it. All right, so make sure you guys don't sleep. Put in the footwork. They'll be releasing everywhere, which is good. Every major retailer will be getting the military blue 4s, so you guys shouldn't have a problem. However, there will still be L's handed out. It's how it goes. So you got to put in the footwork. Enter every raffle, sneakers app, Foot Locker, everywhere. Every retailer, every major retailer that carries Jordan brand product will get the military blue 4s, and they have a good amount of stock. There is some things changed to the 2012 pair, which is major in my opinion. Besides the blue, they made the wing here white instead of gray, and I'll be honest, it's my one complaint about this shoe. If I had to complain, it'd probably be that. To me, I just like it better looking gray. I don't remember. I have to look. I don't remember if the 1989 pair was white. I'm pretty sure it was. But I do like the look of the gray more here on the wing. To me, it just throws it off. If you guys look, it's white, off-white. They're calling it for the upper. Off-white. I don't know. Very weird Jordan brand. Just like them not calling it the military industrial blue. Very weird. But, and then you have the wing here that's a more white. And it does stand out. The wings here stand out compared to the rest of the shoe. You see what I mean? Stands out more than the rest of the shoe. I'm not sure, but nonetheless, still a fire shoe. True to size. Definitely go true to size. And you're going to have to put in the footwork because these will sell out. They're not going to be that easy to get. They will be easy, don't get me wrong, but not that easy where you're going to be able to walk in a week later. No, they're going to be gone by then. So make sure you guys put in your footwork. That beautiful Nike Air on the back. Let me know if you guys are picking them up on May 4th. And if you do take the L for whatever reason, let me know if you're going to wind up paying that resell. Listen, resell's not going to be too bad at all. Maybe a few bucks over, $240, $250. It's nothing crazy, guys. So let me know if you guys love the military blue 4s just as much as I do. This is an OG, and it's finally back. Thank you, Jordan Brand, for bringing back the military blue 4s. Amazing. We need the white cements. Give it to us. It's been since 2016, so we're due as well for the white cement 4s. Hopefully we get those very soon as well. We did get news of the Bred 1s next year, 85 high. We'll see how those come out. I'm not crazy about the 85 high. But yes, right here, Military Blue Force. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching.